Today, actually, we're going to talk about the episode san. In Japanese, we say he. We have a lot of pronunciation of this kanji. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is what we're going to do today. So I also search again in the dictionary because I'm a little bit nervous if I say something wrong, but this is quite common, like very like an everyday thing. So we use a lot. Yeah. So definitely we say he. And then do you know something else to how to pronounce this?
Is Nietzsche one?
Nichi. Yes. Nichi. Yeah. And
B?
hmm?
Like B? B-I? Mm,
Oh, B. Yeah,
B.
B. Like
Those are
get
the only
your
ones I
B.
know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are the only ones I know.
Okay. So, okay. So now we also have jitsu.
mm,
Mm. And ha. Yeah,
mm,
maybe actually, because I try to find many words having this he in the
mm-hmm.
character, like a word, then sometimes it's even doesn't really apply to this kind of pronunciation. So yeah, it's really hard to explain how to pronounce. So for me, if I only see this kanji, then of course I say he.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or yeah, I think the he is most basic one. But if we combine the one more character, or sometimes we going to be three characters together, then many different way of pronunciation. Mm. And
Mm,
then the this is kunyomi, and this is onyomi.
mm,
Mm. So again, last time I was talking about what's kunyomi, what's onyomi. Like kunyomi is more like a traditional Japanese way of pronunciation, I guess. But onyomi, it is some influence from Chinese pronunciation. So
mm,
it's some similarities compared to Chinese pronunciation. Yeah.
mm.
I also want to show you so how this kanji develop. So first, Iwas-san, like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then so it's going to be like just dots.
Like you're blinded from the sun.
It's so funny. And the next one is going to be like a little bit squarish and the line
Mm,
and somehow become so thin
mm,
and in the middle again. And then finally it's going to be like kanji. Now, yeah.
mm,
So this is something that we can imagine that, but
mm-hmm.
there's a dot and then become a line, and so this is kanji now. Yeah. Is it Demon Slayer?
It is.
This one?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking when you said that. Oh.
So what you can see in this picture is those katana, ne?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then you're going to find the kanji actually the top.
Mm-hmm.
You already find the kanji of this, right?
Yeah, the first one.
Yeah. Do you know how to say this?
How do you say that here?
I'm also searching today because but I know this kanji is quite famous. Like
Hmm.
we say Nichirinto. Yeah,
Um,
Nichirinto is the name of this katana, like sword. Yeah.
oh, so it would be the middle part after the name of it. It's the Nietzsche.
Mm. I think you
Oh.
can look at the left top. So there's a kanji, like three
Uh-huh.
letters.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, then the first one is this one. And
Uh-huh.
the next one is a more complicated one. And the last one is a meaning sword. So this is katana. Yeah,
Oh.
katana is, especially the samurai, always having put it on the waist. So,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so this is called, we can say katana or we also say to, especially if they all combine the kanji together. So this name is called Nichirin to. Yeah,
Ichirin.
and then do you know the meaning of Nichirin?
It's like sun something?
Yeah. This is actually a meaning of sun. Like a sun has the round shape and kind of a spreading the light.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So sometimes people also say nichirin, like you can really see the frame of the circle. So that's the meaning of nichirin. Mm.
It
I
makes
think
sense
it's
because
yeah.
if it's his sword, then it's
Mm.
he does fire and
Maybe
wind
yeah.
and stuff
Mm.
together
Mm.
type of thing. But it's like he burns things.
Yeah, I haven't seen the latest movie of this Kimetsu no Yaiba, like Demon
Mm.
Slayer. I haven't
Yeah,
watched
me
it.
neither.
But then Nichirin-to maybe because the sword is a represent of sunshine or fire or like kind of
Mm-hmm.
bright thing, isn't it? So they
Yeah.
name it like Nichirin-to.
I
Yeah,
like
I think this anime is really care a lot about the five elements,
that. Mm-hmm.
right? And then there's another one. So do you know how to read this? So do you know this kanji?
I feel like I know
Mm.
the middle kanji, but I don't know that kanji.
Oh, really?
Like as a whole. Yeah. What is that?
In Hong Kong, we say a lot of this. Like,
Mm.
do you still remember some of the Cantonese like Sefan Meya, like Sefan? Do you remember? This means eat.
Oh.
So, san eat. What is this? Can you imagine this? What is this?
Is it itadakimasu?
The san going to itadakimasu? Yeah. Is they saying about the condition of this?
Mm,
Mm. Like every day we going to see the sun. Of course, there's a cloud, then we can see the sunshine. But do you
mhm,
know some kind of certain period of the time we can see the sun? So the
mhm.
people imagine that this like a kind of eaten up the sun.
Oh, that's kind of
Uh,
interesting.
yeah, but I think the kanji why they say it this and then in English meaning solar eclipse.
Oh.
Because you can't see the sun.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the sun he hide it behind, right? Like in the darkness. So yeah, it's called nisshoku.
Oh,
Yeah, it's very difficult.
very new.
Nisshoku. Yeah, and so this nichi is really a lot of what?
Yeah, it's even behind you on your poster.
Oh yeah,
Nihon.
Nihon. So definitely you know this, right?
Mm-hmm. Japan.
Yeah, Nihon. Yeah, we also have sun in the country. And there are two way of saying. One is
Mm-hmm.
Nihon, and another one we
Oh.
can also say Nippon.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like for example, when we are cheering up the team in the Olympic, and then most people actually shouting like Nippon,
Mm-hmm.
Nippon. It's not Nihon, Nihon, but you can also say Nippon or Nihon. Yeah,
Mm.
and wow, so many. So for example, this one, do you know how to read this?
Mm. Oh, ashita.
Yeah,
Mm.
tomorrow.
Oh, I haven't ever seen ashita written out in the kanji before. That's so interesting. I've
Yeah, but
only ever
then
seen it.
ashita, then
Hmm.
also ta.
Yeah, that's
I
crazy. I
didn't
didn't
say
know it was
ta
ta.
here, right? So there are so many exceptions.
Mm.
And of course, this one,
Kyo.
今日.
Today.
今日 also 今日
What
う
is it? Oh? Oh?
今日 But when we say, it's just say 今日.
Hmm.
But if I put the hiragana, it's going to be like 今日.
Oh, so it's the oh.
And then this one is actually tricky. It means first
Ichi?
day, right?
Oh.
The first day of the month.
Oh, yeah.
So how to say it is very difficult to say also.
Yeah, I always forgot.
Can you read it? Like, can you
Wait, it's
see?
off the screen a little bit. Oh, there we go.
Sorry.
Oh, otachi or utachi?
1日.
Suitachi.
Yeah, 1日.
I always
Oh,
forgot sui. But
yeah,
tachi, that's another one. That's so strange.
yeah. We have so many, and of course, 1日, then how to say it second day?
Nigatsu. Wait, no. Ni, ninichi.
Yeah, I know this is the very easy to mistake, but they say 2日.
Oh, futsuka. Yeah, I
Yeah,
always,
but
and then
finally we can
mika.
find the ka. Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Then,
always forgot the dates. And that's Mika, right?
yeah, Mika.
Instead of Sanka.
So I think the first day is very special because we need to
Hmm.
say 1日, but then starting from 2日, like then I think this ka is always repeating. Like 2日、3日、4日、5日、6日、7日. So it's always ka at the end. But
Mm.
only the first one is not ka. Yeah. So 今日, yeah, something similar to 今日、明日. So what is this? Just we learn 明日. 明日 is tomorrow.
Hmm.
So this probably something tomorrow, but it's not tomorrow. So when is this?
Oh, is that like the day after tomorrow?
Yeah. Do you know how to say it? So this one in hiragana is going to be like this. This is two is small, so means like you skip, right? Then
Oh,
asatte, asatte.
Asate. Yep.
Mm. Asatte. Asatte is the day after tomorrow. But
Hmm.
again, then how is te, right? I didn't say anything about Tay here, but the Tay is coming. So you have to
Hmm.
remember, like, if you see this kanji, or it's almost very oral. Like, we always just say it, and then, yeah, 明日、明後日、今日、昨日, like, yeah, 昨日,
Hmm.
昨日 also, like this one,
Hmm.
like yesterday,
Yeah.
昨日. Then,
Oh.
do you know what is this? Like one, 昨日.
Oh, like the
It
day
means,
before yesterday.
yeah, yesterday, the day before yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is also hiragana is become this one.
Otarai? No.
Ototoi.
Ototoi.
Yeah, ototoi means the day before yesterday.
Hmm.
Yeah, so this is also again why OE is coming. Yeah, it's really hard to, yeah, how to say it. Like if you always have to remember this kind of pronunciation, it's not easy to remember. So
Mm.
just remember in the conversation is much easier for you. Yeah, 今日、昨日、明後日、一昨日、昨日, like these are like very special. But
Hmm.
yeah, we can still put the he because we all talking about days. Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm. And
Such a
then,
simple kanji, but then it
mm,
has probably the most complex and the most like
yeah,
ways to
right,
say
right.
it.
Isn't it like Reiki? Because Reiki always tell very simple, but the more
Mm,
you practice, actually the deeper the meaning is
yeah.
even the one layer of layer. So yeah, the he also sounds so simple and easy, but because
Hmm.
we use a lot, like because everyday things like suns talk about days, times, everything related to sun. So of course simple but very deep in the meaning too.
Mm.
Uh Actually, when we write it, we do this.
I've
So
never seen that. Hibi?
yeah, hibi. No, hibi. Hibi.
Hibi.
Yeah. If you say hibi, like a crack,
Mm.
but you have to say hibi.
Hibi.
Hibi is more like when you write sentences, like writing the letters, so you can say hibi. But when we talk, like when we do some conversation with your friends, then I rarely say hibi. Yeah, but means that the certain period of the time, like those days, like these days, is going to be like hibi. Mm.
Mm.
So a lot, huh? And then this kanji mean repeating. So he and he. So I wanted to write he and there's another he, but we can replace by this kanji as well. And then
Mm-hmm.
meaning that we repeat it. Yeah, so they like that.
Mm.
But meaning like these days or those days, these
Mm-hmm.
are hibi. Mm. So I want to ask you one question.
Yeah.
What is your favorite day in the year?
My favorite day in the year, my birthday.
Oh, you like birthday,
Well, I mean, it's my special day.
special day. So if you say special day or birthday is a different kanji already. So which one
Mm.
do you want to say?
Mm. Maybe Tenjobi, my
誕生日。
birthday. Mm.
誕生日 kanji is so difficult.
Mm.
Yeah, but you can say it already. Yes, you already
Mm-hmm.
remember how to say birthday. So, 誕生日. Can you also say the day of your birth, like days only? 18.
Mm. Yeah, 18.
Okay. Then it means, yeah, how to read this?
Juhachi
Yeah, yeah.
Nichi.
Yes.
Sorry, I always want to say month instead of day.
18日ですね。
Mm-hmm.
うん。
So once we get into the teens, we switch from ka to to
うん。
nichi.
When?
When we get into the teen numbers of the like
Uh-huh.
days, because it was
うん。
like
10 days, like
nichi. Yeah.
so after the day 10, like 10,
Mm-hmm.
10日.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this kind of regulation repeated after the 2日, like a second day, until
Mm-hmm.
10 days, like a ka, like 2日、3
Mm-hmm.
日、4日, like then up to 10日. 10日 is
Mm-hmm.
the day 10. And the 11th, 11日.
Okay.
So it's like a kind of nichi happens.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 11日、12日、13日、14、15、then 18、19. Then what is the day 20? Do you know that?
It's complicated. So I mean, it looks like
Mm.
Niju Nichi, but it's probably not.
Yeah, 20日 is wrong. So this is very difficult. You say,
Hatsuka.
yeah, 20日。うん。
I remember.
Like 1
Uh,
月20日、2月20日、3月20日. So 20日 is means day 20. And
mm.
then after the 20日, so 21日、22日、23 is the same thing happen. Like 日 is always up to 29日. And then the,
Oh no. 30th.
so what's going to happen for this one?
uh,
There are two ways of saying.
Mijuka.
Oh, near, near.
Mm.
So there are two ways. Actually, it is not wrong if you say 30日.
Oh.
Yeah, like actually it is same like 29日、20、28日、29日. Then you can also say 30日. Yeah, so
Mm.
this one is okay to say 30日. But there's another way of saying. So that's one that you just nearly say it, but it's not really correct. It is so near. Yeah, can you say again?
uh, Mijuka.
Ah,
Uh, oh, Misoka.
yeah, but I think no one really say misoka, and unless we say,
Big kanji again. Oh.
Omisoka is only one day of the year, means like the end of the year. Yeah.
Mm.
But I doubt because in Japanese we always use this kanji in the middle, and then this one I think we only use this for this day. Yeah.
Mm.
But then the misoka also sounded like this one, omisoka.
Mm-hmm.
And then sometime in our lunar calendar, it's not the solar calendar, because solar calendar we have a December the 31st, but in the lunar calendar, sometime we don't have a 31st of the
Mm.
December. So once they are December the 30th, then it's already next day going to be the January the 1st. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so that's why I'm thinking, should I say oh misoka like a 30th? But I don't know. I don't know because in the kanji they need to write like this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I was also thinking about what is my favorite day of the year.
Mm-hmm.
I want to say, do you know this?
わかんない。Man,
Yeah.
my, ni, what is the last one?
毎日.
Mainichi, every day?
Yeah, I like every day.
Aww.
Because I was thinking, oh, should I say birthday? Should I say the first day of the year? Should I say the day of the Tonji? Or, like a lot of things in a year, but I feel like Mainichi.
Mm. It's
Yeah,
very Reiki too, of like
yeah. But this is
every
very
day.
true to my feeling now.
Mm.
Mm. Because long before, I don't want to say that. Like, what is a favorite day of the year? Like, I need to choose, and then I don't know which one. But now I feel like every day is very interesting, so I should say
Mm.
毎日. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for coming today. So I hope you guys also enjoy it and see you next time. Okay, bye bye.